How to set up Face ID on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen. Type Lock in your search button. After typing lock, you'll find lock screen and passcode. Then you'll find Face Unlock feature. Click on it, add your phone pattern, then click on Add Face Data. Press on Next. Then you should position your face inside the circle shown. After that, your face data will be added, and that's how you set up Face ID on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.